Yes, yes.
Sorry.
Oui, yes. Good. So. Penalty? All eyes on you. All eyes on you.
Давай забивай. Секунду.
Они сразу не приняли, родной. Лаки. Ой-ой-ой, Хаби,
Hi, come on, Orjas. Yes, yes.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry, guys, sorry.
Хорошо, брат. Oh my face.
Ah, sorry.
Ole.
You play against other team, other school.
Yeah, all the school teams.
School team.
We have played with Noroda, we have played with Spectrum,
Yes.
we have played
And other Kazakhs.
with Quantum, we have played with public schools, we have played with private schools.
Against private school.
Kazakh Turkish schools.
You are private school.
Sometimes like there is a small league in Astana school, and then if we like win all the leagues, we will go to the all Kazakhstan school teams.
Okay, like a tournament.
Yeah.
And you play in this field?
No. We
No.
play futsal.
Ah, futsal with another ball,
In
small
every
ball.
city in
Yes,
Kazakhstan we have a Kazakh Turkish lyceum, and we have a tourney.
Yeah, we play against
tournament, and who's win in
Okay,
Kazakhstan.
in Kazakhstan, the
Yes.
best team in Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
And you won?
Actually, yes.
You are the best team?
Yeah, we have
5
like,
times.
5 times?
Yes.
It's 5 on 5?
Yes, 5.
5. Oh.
Play futsal is very hard.
Yeah, you know Falcao?
Falcao, Radamel, Falcao.
No, not Radamel. For futsal.
I
The
know
Brazilian.
Ricardinho.
Ah, Ricardinho, Portuguese.
Yes.
Yeah. Another one before Ricardinho was Falcao.
Kazakhstan players.
Yes.
In
Like
futsal?
Iggy,
Iggy, Douglas, Tainan.
They are dribbling?
Yeah,
Yes.
futsal.
Okay.
yeah, Kazakh futsal is insane. Like we're like top 1 in the whole world maybe.
In the whole world?
Yes,
Yes.
Kazakhstan futsal.
Against Brazil?
Yeah.
Portuguese?
Yes, Brazil,
Portugal?
Russia.
Like racing for the first place.
So do you like this school?
Yes.
All boys school.
All boys, only
Yeah, we
boys
have
school.
Only boys.
Yes.
You know some French word?
Je m'appelle, bonjour, merci, oui.
I know only bonjour.
Bonjour,
Merci.
je m'appelle.
Merci.
Je joue au foot. No?
No.
We
I-
have chocolate, merci.
Yeah, only merci.
And yes.
And it costs a lot to
Yes.
to be in this school?
No, you pass your exam.
Yeah.
Ah, only pass exam. It's free.
Exam, and after that,
In exam we
For
have
geniuses.
math, English, and if you score points, you will
Enter to this school.
Yes.
Okay, it's difficult.
No, it's not difficult. It's easy.
It's easy.
Yes.
You play as a goalkeeper with the team.
Yes.
Okay.
here.
What do you think about?
It's great.
From the 8th grade. Okay.
My best.
What do you think about my skills? The French player.
Brazilian
The French
skills,
player.
Brazilian skills.
Who is the most dribbler in your team? The best dribbler.
Maybe Anthony.
Anthony is here? No, in your team right now.
right now skills.
Me.
Ali?
Mirasabi.
Imma.
Mirasabi.
Mirasabi, he play with you at futsal?
Like Messi.
The Kazakhstan Messi. The Kazakh Messi.
Yes.
His speed is insane.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo?
If
Yeah,
overall,
Messi,
if overall Ronaldo, but now Messi.
Messi playing Ronaldo.
No.
You know Marseille? Ah, Messi, yes. You know Marseille? Marseille.
Yes.
Marseille, you know?
Yes.
Which player you know? About?
Payet.
Yeah, yeah.
Payet.
Payet.
In FIFA
Payet,
Mobile,
yes.
in FIFA Mobile, I have players Suarez and
Ah, Suarez.
striker.
Yes, yes. You know who else? In PSG, in Marseille. Gendouzi.
I know Gomez.
Gomez?
Gomez in
have Turkish player?
2016 he played in Marseille.
Gomez, I don't
Turkish
remember.
player, Marcel have.
Yes. Under.
Under.
Yeah,
yes.
Under. Sanchez, you don't know?
Yes, yes.
Alexis Sanchez.
Yes.
Payet.
Under top player.
Yes,
I
yes.
like him.
And you want to be a professional player? If you can. You want to be a professional player football?
I want.
You want? As a goalkeeper?
In Kazakhstan it's difficult.
To be a player? A football player? Why?
In Kazakhstan football is not
Developed.
Ah, developed. It's more futsal?
Yes.
Futsal.
Futsal.
Box,
Very developed. Whereas
and MMA, UFC. Shafkat Rahmanov, do you know?
No.
United.
Ah, yes,
Rahmanov,
UFC.
Rahmanov.
UFC.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. I know him. He's a welterweight. You know?
Do you know GGG?
GGG?
Triple G.
Triple G, yeah, Golovin. Yes. He lose against Canelo.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry.
because he's old.
He's old, yeah, now he's old. And you know Khamzat Chimaev?
Yes.
You like it?
No.
You like him?
Maybe.
No.
Fight,
Why?
Habib Nurmagomedov.
Yeah,
Maybe it's
2 days
a
ago.
show.
2 days ago? Yes,
Yes.
not Khabib, it was his
Charles Oliveira against Islam Makhachev.
Islam
Yes,
Makhachev.
but Khamzat punched someone.
Sam is
Yes,
a
yes.
student of that.
The team of Khabib.
Father of Habib.
Yeah.
Abdulmanap.
Abdulmanap, yeah. You know Hezbollah?
Hezbollah, yes. Showman Hezbollah.
Hezbollah showman. And what you Yes, Abdul Razik. What you know about France? What do you think about France?
Football.
When you hear
Tower.
Yes, Eiffel Tower. When you hear France, what do you think about it?
The first time if I go to
About
France,
bread,
I go to
I know.
match
Maybe Kylian Mbappe.
PSG,
Maybe
Bro.
Mbappé.
It's dream for a match in Europe and meet like Mbappe, Messi.
Yes.
Others.
I know Stadium Parc de France is a very great stadium.
You went to the stadium yesterday?
Yes.
Yesterday they play. Yeah, Astana against.
It's Astana Arena.
5-1.
Yeah. What is the other team? What is the name of the other team?
Atrao.
Atrao was in my hotel.
Yes,
In
yes.
Mir Hotel.
Mir Hotel.
2 weeks ago I start
One Piece.
One Piece. Yes.
Tell me if you know this.
Слушай,
Ло.
Что это значит?
Польфагар, ло. Типа там
You
далеко
know?
находится вещь, он просто берет, типа пространство делает и телепортирует.
Еще так вот. Вот, короче, вот, видео так вот.
Yeah. I visit the mosque.
I play football with the guys.
Мы тебе про тебя стикер сделаем. А вы можете стакан?